MyDelta gives you a variety of ways to choose your classes and register for a term. First, log in to MyDelta with your Delta ID number and password. From your homepage, click the Manage Classes icon. If you have already chosen classes for the upcoming term and added them to your shopping cart or planner, you can start enrolling from there. If you haven't, you can start choosing classes by clicking on Class Search and Enroll. Use the class search to look for the course you wish to enroll in. From your search results, click on a course you wish to know more about. From here, you will see a list of all class options with the days and times they meet. Once you've chosen the class you want to add, click anywhere on the row of that class to start the 4-step registration process. First, review the class to confirm this is the class in which you would like to enroll or add to the shopping cart. Once confirmed, click Next. In Step 2, you will review class preferences. If the course is full, here's where you can request to be added to the waitlist. Choose Yes or No, and then click Accept to continue. Next, the Enroll or Add to Cart page will appear. Select whether you wish to enroll in the class or add to shopping cart to enroll later. If your enrollment appointment date has not yet arrived for the term, you will only be able to select Add to shopping cart. The last step is Review and Submit. If the class displayed is correct and all preferences are set correctly, click the Submit button and then choose Yes to confirm the submission of the class choice and enroll in the class. The confirmation page will appear and let you know you have been added to the class. You can click on View My Classes to see your updated schedule, or you can go back to Class Search and Enroll to find more classes to register for.